Transform your passion for chemistry into a rewarding career. Master of Science in Industrial Chemistry at Chandigarh University aims at building a strong foundation in industrial chemistry, physics, and mathematics. Choose from specialized tracks to align your studies with industry needs. Gain expertise in industrial standards, intellectual property rights (IPR), and process control with a curriculum covering agrochemicals, paints and dyes, and oils and petrochemicals. Stay ahead with value-added courses and MOOCs, enhancing your skills and knowledge. Develop your research acumen with opportunities to publish in SCI, SCIE, and Scopus Index journals. Participate in international conferences, workshops, and expert sessions. Become a part of prestigious professional bodies like ACS and ISCA. Engage in a dedicated industrial internship to gain commercial exposure. With vast career opportunities in research, pharmaceuticals, polymers, and more, this program is your pathway to success. Enroll today at Chandigarh University, a world of opportunities.